From a distance, it's giving you knotless vibes, and if you say it's not, you're just delusional and you're crazy. You know it's giving you knotless vibes. Let's not do that, respectfully.
I got Kavona, said she don't got him, and shorty said she alone. I would've gave him all her, but I ain't a donor. Then I seen her the first time, I said I want her. You a bad chick, and she staying Fashion Nova.
Hey guys, it's Naya back with another fire video. If you're new to the channel, I'm Naya Gray. You should subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, what's poppin'? How y'all been? So y'all know when I look like this, y'all know what I'm about to do. About to do another hair video. What y'all want to say I look like today? Y'all can't even say I look like nothing. Like, let's not do that. My hair looks bigger in person than it do on camera. Today we are doing knotless box braids. I'm mad excited. See, so starting off from blow dried hair. To part, I'm using this. I mentioned in my last video, the red Shining Jam. The hair that I'm using is Bobbi Boss. It's 65 inches. And I'm using this little tray thing. I don't know what it is. I'll probably link it down below to put my sections of hair on it to make the process easier. Hopefully this comes out good. Let's just hope. Oh! Hey guys, so in the last clip I said I was doing knotless braids. That gotta go. I get the gist of it, but I really just don't have the patience right now. Like, school about to start in a couple days. I don't feel like being here for days doing some knotless braids. I'd rather do that style on somebody else's hair than start it on my hair. I'm looking crazy. I don't care. At this point I don't care. Like, it's part of the process. Like, Corvette. Hop in the mud. Nah, I'm joking. I'm doing regular box braids though. So as you can see, I'm gonna show y'all a couple that I did. This is the back of the hair, so nobody's seen it. It's pretty long. So I'm gonna show you how I did it. Don't mind the back. It's kind of all ghetto. All right, so I have a section right here. I'm kind of doing like medium-sized sections. So I'm taking my red Shining Jam and I'm just putting it on the part to like define it. If you see me looking down, I got a mirror right here, of course. Putting it all on the hair. I put it all on my hair just so everything is nice and sleek when it's in the braids. All right, I'm starting to OD like. So I'm gonna show you how I do oh my god, I look so dumb. Okay, I have two pieces of hair. I have a big piece and then a smaller piece. One is big, one is thin, right? So basically what I'm gonna do is loop one of the pieces around the other like that. And what it's gonna do is just create like a loop like that. But basically at the loop, I'm gonna drop one of the ends on the bigger piece. So now I have 3 pieces of hair. So with the 3 pieces of hair, I'm holding it tightly and I'm connecting the middle piece of hair to my actual hair, if that makes sense. And all I'm doing is braiding tightly, as you can see, and I'm just going all the way down. To make the braid even longer, I added in another piece of the braiding hair towards the end, and I show that in the next few clips. So what I'm showing you is a cut piece of the braiding hair. I basically cut it in half, and this is what I use to just make my braids longer. I'm taking the braiding hair and I'm combining it with the middle strand and the strand that I'm holding. In my case would be that left strand, and basically I just continue to braid. And I also add in 2 pieces of braiding hair for each braid. If it was confusing on the way I added in that second piece of braiding hair, I'm gonna include a clip that I watched that kind of shows it better. So I'm more than halfway through. I just got this little section left. Like, I really love it here. Like, I do. More like I hate it here. This is so dumb. I'm so tired, yo. I hate it here. Yo, I hate it here. It look good so far, though. Hold on.
Nope.
Yo, so I'm over here hyped because I'm like, oh my god, I'm doing my hair, da-da-da. Okay, I'm like, yeah, it looks cute, but yo, I gotta redo this one. Like, this knot right here is just too big, it's too prominent, and I feel like I have OCD. Like, I feel it's gonna bother me. So I think I'm gonna take these two out and do it again. Yo, good thing I have extra hair, yo, because I'm just gonna cut these out and do it again. I hate my life. I want to go to sleep. I just hate this whole process. If y'all can't tell, it's the next day. I finished my hair last night. So this is the hair. It fake look knotless, yo. I'm dragging it. Okay. It's mad long. It goes all the way down. All the way down. I'm about to go dip the ends. Before I do that, I'm gonna cut the ends because it's kind of, it gets tangled. So like basically, I'm gonna just go down like this. I'm just cutting it like that. Just so it's not so tangled. Ow. So I'm gonna go dip my ends in hot water, then I'm gonna come back. So I just dipped the ends. I don't know if I can tell, but yeah, this is the hair. It's mad cute. I like that even though it's in knots, I'm still able to like put it up in the, it's the head shape for me. But you know, if I wanted to, you could put it up in that little ponytail. This is not how I do a ponytail, but y'all know, I'm just trying to show y'all. Like, it's still very movable for it having knots. The last thing I'm gonna do is apply some mousse. So I'm using ORS mousse. But yeah, I'm gonna just take some. Nah, I need way more. Hold on. Ridiculous. I don't know if I want to put hair jewelry or if I just want to leave it how it is. Let me put a little bit more. All right, how much am I gonna put? You know, like the whole bottle? Mind you, my parts aren't really as straight on myself because I can't really see my hair. I had my mom part the back for me. The front I kind of parted, but I was just so lazy. That's why I didn't do knotless braids. But when I do it on other people's hair, like I'll actually take my time to part. I guess I'm gonna show y'all. You know, it's the front. I'm debating if I should put little gold things in it. I'll put like 2. That's ghetto, but hey. I'm not putting it in here. It looks so dumb. Take this off. These things aren't, no. I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm not doing my edges right now because I'm not going nowhere. It's a snowstorm outside, like literally, and I just came back from shoveling my snow. Not going outside. No need to do my edges right now. I will do my edges in future videos, so don't get at me. I already talk about everything about me. Just let me rock for once. Let me rock. But yeah, this is a style. That's about it. If you guys liked the video and you liked how this style came out, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn your post notifications on so you guys are notified the next time I drop a video. I'm gonna see you on my next video. I'm out.